BabyBus.
Click here to subscribe.
Come on, kids. Let's make our own pizzas. Little chefs, are you ready?
Yeah! Let's make a pizza together. Put on marshmallows and candy.
What else do you want to add?
Dressing.
Cheese sticks.
Big candy canes. Yum, 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 yum. I can't wait. Candy pizza, candy pizza, candy pizza.
Is it sweet?
Is it salty? Yuck, 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 yuck. No, no, no. I don't like it, don't like it, don't like it.
Daddy likes it? Oh,
Really?
of course.
Let's make a pizza together. Put on some French fries and popcorn.
If I had some sauce, it would be even better. Yum, 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 yum. I can't wait. Snack pizza, snack pizza, snack pizza.
Oh, so spicy!
Yuck, 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 yuck. No, no, no. I don't like it, don't like it, don't like it.
Oh no, it was the wrong sauce.
Let's make a pizza together. Put on some yogurt and oatmeal.
Ah. If I add some lemon, it will be even better. Yum, 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 yum. I can't wait. Healthy pizza, healthy pizza, healthy pizza.
Oh, it's sour! Yuck, 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 yuck. No, no, no. I don't like it, don't like it, don't like it. I don't like those pizzas.
Daddy likes them. Don't be so sad. We'll make a yummy pizza next time.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.